Malinaw na mayroon pong ipinatitigil si Jesus. At alam naman natin, hindi lang naman ito yung mga gusto niyang ipatigil sa atin. All of our wrongdoings, all that we've done or maybe we are doing bad, He asks us to stop. But if there is something we need to stop, what could be things that we need to continue? And Jesus invites us to be merciful, to forgive, and to give gifts. Maganda pong itanong natin sa ating sarili, ano ang mga gawain natin na sana ay matigil na natin? Baka kasi kung hindi matigil, manganak pa, lumaki pa, at maging peligro pa. And while it is good to think of those we need to stop, we might also need to see what are the things we need to continue. Maybe in baby steps, we are trying our best to shut our mouths when there is the urge to say bad words. Maybe in little ways, we've been trying to help. In our own little ways, we continue to be faithful in prayer and in seeking the Lord's mercy through the sacraments of reconciliation. And when we continue this goodness, be assured that God's goodness will flow over us.